If you tried to seduce women in the past, I can almost guarantee, if you don't really understand the female subconscious mind, you will probably be 80% under your potential. And this should terrify you. I mean, I work with clients every day, and I realized that the ones which not knowing the truth about the female subconscious mind, literally always staying under their potential. This is not rocket science. When this happens, 1. You stop trying to seduce women, which are actually interested in you. 2. You keep trying to seduce women, which are not actually interested in you, because you cannot interpret their signals the right way. Because you are not knowing enough of the female subconscious mind. So in both cases you are wasting your time and end up without any success with women. I put together a PDF that will show you step by step how to fix this in literally minutes. And I have done this for a lot of men. I have done this for younger guys, which want to start to flirt with women. I have done this for older men that want to start flirting again after their divorce. If you are not knowing this, even on a good day you are way too much under your potential, if you are not actually trying to find ways to solve this problem. I will show you how to fix this problem in literally minutes. And I am not exaggerating, if I am saying, taking a few minutes. Just read the PDF I am trying to give you for free right here. Will save you 80% of rejection this month. Because think about it, take the effort you have every time, which results in nothing. So I am begging you, just click right here, read the book, and I will fix you problems with seducing women like I did it for a lot of other guys, you are about to see. What make women fall in love with you? So the first thing you have to do that always results in a woman feeling a deeper connection with you, is to simply look into her eyes. A lot of guys do not think that much about it, but it's the truth. Women think that looking into the eyes of a potential partner is one of the most important things. Because only by looking a lot into the eyes of a potential partner, you can see if you would feel comfortable to look in these eyes more often, especially when in a relationship. Next thing sounds really simple, but works wonders. Embrace her by her waist. Women love this, because it makes them feeling protected, etc. If you are touching their waist, they will start seeing you as a caring guy, which is interested in making her feel protected. It does not even matter when to do it, if you are on the way to the theater or on the way home, no matter when. Just grab her waist and she will think that you are caring a lot about her. The next tip is really intense. Give her kisses on her neck. Women love this, it makes them feel a really intense feeling. They will also recognize this with having sex, because a lot of guys do this especially when having sex. By doing this, you can basically create a moment of romance the easy way. The last thing you have to do is basically to wear a seductive lotion. So go to a perfume store and ask them what fits you the most. Wearing a good perfume or a good lotion will make women go crazy. Smelling sense is one of the most intense senses for women when it comes to searching for the right guy. And now, do yourself a favor and check out the free PDF in the description.